any Android how to go back using swipe gestures. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. If you wish to go back on Android using swipe gestures, you can easily launch a particular app or settings and you can swipe from the left or right edge of the screen to go back. To enable gestures, you can head towards the settings option. Scroll down and look for the option of additional settings. Select system navigation and here you can choose gestures option. And if you wish to launch gestures, select learn, otherwise select cancel. Now let's try by using the swipe gestures. You can simply swipe from the left. And as you can see that we have get back from that page. You can even use the back button for button navigation. So let's choose the navigations by going to system navigation and select the buttons. And now you can tap on the back button depending upon your button layout. Mine is on the bottom right corner. You can select that and get back from the setting sections in this way. So in this way you can easily use the both the buttons navigations or swipe gestures to go back on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.